What will happen to your data when unexpected disaster strikes? In 2007, a water main broke at the data center of the city of Memphis and came within inches of causing irreparable damage and permanent data loss. A painful reality quickly became clear. There would be no way to recover or restore the lost data had the flood actually taken out the data center. Systems would have to be rebuilt from scratch and information recollected, costing the city valuable time, resources, and productivity. When the city chose a new backup strategy that would eliminate their vulnerabilities to such catastrophic data loss, they turned to EVS. EVS provided a completely digital solution that backs up their data nightly to redundant locations. The city of Memphis now has unique copies of multi-terabyte volumes of data being backed up daily, on-site and off-site. With this new solution, the city's data center has become 35 to 40% more efficient, reducing the cost and resources required for data backup. Recovery times have been reduced by 70%, sometimes taking only minutes to complete data restoration that once took days. For the city of Memphis, these improvements in efficiency and reliability have translated into savings of over $200,000 in just a few short years. If you would like to learn more about how EVS can protect your data from catastrophic disaster or improve the efficiency and reliability of your backup strategy, please fill out the form below, and a member of the EVS team will contact you right away.